Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a Yogurt Parfait Charcuterie board. That could be a great addition to any breakfast or brunch setup. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. I've already set up the various bowls that will hold the toppings. Yogurt parfaits are filled with yogurt, of course, layered with fruit, granola, and any other nuts and berries that you may choose to add. Then honey or maple syrup can be drizzled on the top. Now, parfait is actually a French word which means perfect. Time to fill in the blank spaces with some fresh fruit. I ran out of mint leaves, so what I did was wash the stems of the strawberry and added it to the board just to add some greenery. Can't forget the star of the show. When putting together your charcuterie board, have fun with it. Make sure you have something for each individual that will be enjoying it, and always have fresh fruit. And there you have it, our Yogurt Parfait Charcuterie board. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out. A list of everything used can be found in the description box below. As always, thanks for the continued support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!